In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a WordPress website. If you've already built your site and you're ready to make it live, this process is very straightforward. We'll be using WordPress.com, and I'll walk you through the final launch steps so your website becomes publicly accessible. To begin, go to the My Home area in WordPress.com. This is your main dashboard, where WordPress shows you an overview of your site and the next recommended actions. If you're already logged in, this page should load automatically for the website you want to publish. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're on the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you're on the My Home page, look for the option that says Launch Your Site and click it. This is the button that starts the publishing process. WordPress uses this launch flow to help you connect a domain, choose a plan, and finalize the steps needed to make your site live. After that, you may see a screen prompting you to purchase a custom domain. If you don't want to buy one right now, click Skip Purchase. This allows you to continue using the free WordPress.com address for the moment. That's a helpful option if you're just getting started, testing your site, or planning to upgrade later. You can always add a custom domain in the future, so skipping this step now won't prevent you from publishing. Next, when WordPress presents its plan options, choose Start with a free plan. This is the right choice if you want to launch your site without paying for hosting or premium features. It's a simple way to get your website online quickly. Just keep in mind that free plans usually include a WordPress branded domain and may have some limitations compared to paid options, but they work perfectly well for basic websites, practice sites, or early stage projects. From there, just follow the remaining on-screen steps. WordPress may ask you to confirm a few final settings before the site goes live. Read each screen carefully, make your selections, and continue through the prompts until the launch is complete. This part is designed to be beginner friendly, so even if it's your first time, you should be able to move through it without much trouble. Once you finish, your WordPress website will be published and available online. It's a good idea to visit the live site afterward and double check that everything looks the way you expect, including your homepage, menu, images, and text. And that's it. You've successfully published your WordPress website.